Hi guys, I'm Vivien. Today we have a CNC router ready to ship to the UK. So I take you to have a look. The working size of this machine is 1.5 by 3 meters. It's a very strong model. You can see the gantry is steel gantry, and the reels and rack we imported from Germany and Taiwan. Look at the table. It's vacuum with T-slot. And here on the table have some yellow filter. The cover can protect the dust come into the holes. It's a very nice design. Okay, here is the controller. The control system is DSP. It can very easy to operate. Let's have a look. I'm moving the machines now. Sounds very nice. Okay, have a look on the control cabinet. Here is the inverter, falling inverter. You can see the wires are very nice. Every of the wires, the cables will have a number. So it's very easy to know the problem. Okay, guys, if you are interested in this model, please send me a message. When you see our machines, you will know why our machines can use for about 10 years. It's so strong. This is a lubrication system. Lubricate for each reels